Understanding. Help out. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the English language to understand a common phrase. Help out. If you've ever been puzzled about when and how to use it, you're in the right place. Help out is a phrasal verb that essentially means to assist someone or to provide aid. When you help out, you're giving support or making it easier for someone to do something. Example: can you help out with the dishes? She helped out at the charity event last weekend. While help and help out can often be used interchangeably, help out carries a nuance of assisting with a specific task or stepping in when needed. Example: can you help me? This could mean any kind of assistance. Can you help out with the fundraising event? This implies a more specific task. Help out is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. However, it's more commonly used in casual conversations. Examples: 1. Informal: hey, do you think you could help out with the garage sale? 2. Formal: we would appreciate any volunteers who can help out during the conference. It's important to remember that help out is a separable phrasal verb. This means the two words can be separated in a sentence. Correct: can you help me out with this problem? Incorrect: can you help out me with this problem? And there you have it. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of how to use help out in your conversations. Remember, language is all about practice. So, don't be shy and try to help out someone today using your newly acquired knowledge. Happy learning!